Your name and rank. Having been chosen to serve as a Pathfinder officer, do solemnly promise before God and this assembly to uphold the Pathfinder pledge, law, to serve with integrity, humility, dedication, to support my fellow officers and Pathfinders, and to lead others closer to Christ through my example. So help me God.